Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the 100th Anniversary Wireless Clippers Seniors. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got the box. We actually got this box from Master Barber Supply. So big shout out to them. I've actually been waiting for over a week to open this box. I've already had it, but I've been waiting. So this is what we got. Nice package. Ooh. 100th year. I'll let you take a look how the box looks, the bottom, the top. Okay, let's take a look. Let's put this to the side. Wahl Clipper Corporation, years of tradition, established 1919, American heritage. Alright, so let's be careful. Trying to get this opened. A knife. All right. Ooh. I think that's oil right there. Well, first, let's take a look what we got in here. So we got the charger, same as the Magic Clip, with a forced sterling silver. Let's put that to the side. You got your oil and your little brush. This usually comes on the clipper. I guess it didn't. You've got the manual. And we'll take a look at this. Hold on. We've got like a nice little cloth towel or whatever it is. I'm assuming this is to clean it, so it's a nice little gift from Wahl. Pretty nice. We'll put that back in the bag. So let's take a look at this envelope. Let me put the box to the side. And it says Wahl Clipper Corporation, 100 years of tradition, established 1919, American heritage. Alright, I'll show it over here so you can take a look at what it says. So let's continue. Let's get back over here. Take a look at the clipper. It's pretty heavy. So let's see how we can manage to take it out. There we go. Oh, nice. This feels maybe as heavy as the Seiors, the wireless Seiors, but this part right here, the cover, it's all metal as well. So you can see, oh, it's a beautiful thing. It's well done. So how about this? Let's turn it on. Let me put this to the side. Let's turn it on and go from there. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Let me show you teeth, how it comes. So we're gonna have to modify them, but that'll be in another video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.